In today's video, we'll show you how to play video on Macbook Trash. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So the trash, or the bin as it's called in many countries, is the primary tool you use on your Mac to delete files. It's part of a two-step process. If you want to delete file, you first move into the trash and then you empty the trash. This is meant to be a safety net so you don't accidentally delete something because it's too easy to delete the file. So if you delete the video on your MacBook and you want to play the video on the trash, how to do it? So first of all, of course, we have to open our trash. So in here, I want to play this video. As you can see in here, when I try to play the video on the trash, there is an option the document screen recording can't be opened because it's in the trash. So how to do it? So you can just change the show items menu on your trash. So you can just select in here. You can change from icon, you can change to this. So now you can play the video from your trash like this. It's very simple, right? So if you want to recover the video from trash, but before that you want to check the video before you cover it, you can play the video like this on your trash bin on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to play video on MacBook Trash. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!